Oh, departure Delta 276 Heavy out of 1400 for 3000 on the Celtic.
Delta 276 Heavy, Boston departure, climbing radar contact, maintain 5000.
Climb now 5000 Delta 276 Heavy.
Delta 276 Heavy, contact approach on 120.6.
120.6 Delta 276 Heavy. Approach Delta 276.
Delta 276, did I give you the wrong one? I'm sorry, it's 120.6, 20.6.
And approach Delta 276, declared emergency. We'd like to level off at 10,000. We've got smoke in the cockpit. Like to return back for 15 right.
Delta 276 Heavy, amend altitude, climb maintain, or correction, stop 10,000.
Delta 276, leveling at 10,000, vectors back to 15 right.
Delta 276 Heavy, roger, turn left heading of 360.
Left to 360, Delta 276.
Delta 276 Heavy, roger, fly heading 360, vector for the ILS to runway 15 right, understand declaring an emergency.
Affirmative, we've got smoke in the cockpit, like to come left at 360, 10,000 right now, vectors for ILS 15 right.
That you need. Delta 276 Heavy, fly heading 360.
360 Delta 276 Heavy.
Delta 276 Heavy, just want to verify you want 15 right, correct?
Affirmative.
Okay, just let us know whatever you need. Delta 276 Heavy, contact approach. 118.25, he's going to get you right in.
11825 Delta 276 Heavy. Boston Delta 276 Heavy.
Delta 276 Heavy, Boston approach, and would you like to stay at 10,000 for now?
No, we'd like to descend. We'd like to start down for 15 right.
There's Delta 276 Heavy, descend and maintain 4,000 and fly heading 350.
350 4000 Delta 276 Heavy.
Delta 276 Heavy, when able, advise the number of souls on board, fuel remaining.
All right, stand by.
276 Heavy, just to confirm everything, you are cleared to Boston Airport via heading at 330 now.
330 Delta 276 Heavy.
Delta 276 Heavy, continue left turn heading at 290.
Say again for 276?
Delta 276 Heavy, flight 290.
290 Delta 276. And 276, can we start to slow a little bit?
So 276 Heavy, speed, your discretion. You are going to be obviously I'm going to get you in as soon as I can. I'm just waiting for traffic that's currently about like a 20-mile final for 4 right, and you're in.
Copy that.
So 276 Heavy, and not to bother you again, but just when you get a chance, number of souls on board and fuel remaining.
All right, stand by. I'm getting that for you right now.
Thank you.
And Delta 276 is 266 souls on board, and we have 7 hours of fuel.
56, 7 hours. Thank you.
And that's 266 passengers.
266 passengers. Got it. Thank you so much. Delta 276 Heavy, fly heading at 280.
280 Delta 276 Heavy.
Delta 276 Heavy, descend and maintain 3,000.
3000 Delta 267.
Delta 276 Heavy, turn left heading 240.
240 Delta 276.
Delta 276 Heavy, descend and maintain 2,000.
2000 Delta 276 Heavy.
Delta 276 Heavy, maintain 170 knots or less. Your discretion now.
Roger, 276.
Delta 276 Heavy, 5 miles from Malby, turn left heading 180. Maintain 2,000 until established on local altitude, cleared ILS 15 right approach.
180, 2000 till established, cleared for the ILS 15 right, Delta 276 Heavy.
Delta 276 Heavy, contact tower 134.05.
13405, Delta 276 Heavy. Tower Delta 276 Heavy.
Delta 276 Heavy, Boston Tower, runway 15 right, cleared to land. Traffic will hold and depart on a crossing runway. Emergency vehicles are on frequency.
Clear to land 15 right, Delta 276 Heavy.
The 276 Heavy, there will be a Massport vehicle following you down runway 15 right upon your arrival.
Roger.
Delta 276 Heavy, are you able to make that right turn on Delta taxiway?
Affirm.
276 Heavy, turn right on Delta, hold short of runway 4 right.
Delta short of 4 right, Delta 276.
276 Heavy, you can also communicate with emergency vehicles, and there's Port Authority on frequency also at this time.
Roger.
Delta 276 Heavy, stay in tension. Delta 276 Heavy, you're on Delta, that's fine. Hold short of runway 4 right on Delta.
Right. Hold short of 4 right on Delta 276. Go ahead, fire. This is Delta 276. Yeah, we have smoke in the cockpit, and we're not sure if the source is still going or not. We'll stop here short of 4 right up Delta. Have you look us over. If you can let us know if you see anything from the exterior.
276 Heavy, just confirm you do want to wait right there?
Affirm.
This is Delta 276. It looks like we ran some checklists and the smoke is dissipated. We'll just have a look over by the fire chief. If the fire captain says he doesn't see any sources, we'd like to return to the gate. And this is 276 go. Looks like we smoke dissipated in the cockpit due to our procedures. If you can just take a look over the aircraft, make sure you don't see any exterior smoke or fire. If we're clear, please follow us to the gate. We're going to Echo 15. We'd just like you to follow us as a precaution in case the brakes heat up or anything like that. Okay, great. We're going to taxi back to Echo 15 if you could follow us in case we have a hot break or some brake catches on fire. We have really hot brakes right now.